Alright, imagine Apple finally doing the thing everyone said they'd never do. A foldable iPhone. And if the leaks are even close to accurate, this isn't Apple playing it safe at all. The iPhone Fold, expected later this year, looks like it's going in a completely different direction from most foldables we've seen so far. The big twist is the shape. When it's folded shut, it's noticeably wider than rivals like the Galaxy Z Fold. And when you open it up, it doesn't turn into a near-square display like most book-style foldables. Instead, it opens straight into landscape, with a wider, more rectangular screen that looks way closer to a mini tablet than a chunky square. Put it next to something like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the difference jumps out immediately. The Fold 7 gives you that tall, almost square inner display, while Apple's approach looks more natural for videos, multitasking, and basically anything you'd want to do on a larger screen. It's smaller overall, sure, but the proportions feel intentional. The only real outlier here is Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold, which unfolds into a massive 10-inch tablet by folding twice. But that's a totally different beast. Apple's design feels more restrained, more practical, and very Apple-like in how it solves the problem. Then there's Huawei's Pura X, which is probably one of the strangest foldables out there. It's a flip phone with an ultra-wide aspect ratio, and while it's not a direct comparison, you can kind of see a distant family resemblance in the proportions. The iPhone Fold is obviously bigger, folds the other way, and plays in a completely different category, but still, it's interesting how wide displays are suddenly becoming a thing. And that's really the takeaway here. Apple isn't just making a foldable iPhone. They're redefining what the shape of a foldable could be. We genuinely haven't seen anything quite like this before. But let's be honest, that uniqueness probably won't last long. If the iPhone Fold takes off, you can bet Samsung, Oppo, and pretty much everyone else already has wider book-style foldables waiting in the wings. The copying machines are almost certainly warming up as we speak. So now I'm curious, do you like this wider, more rectangular approach? Or do you think the square-style foldables still make more sense? Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.